Hi, this is Manjeet from Kolhapur. Recently, I attended a workshop on emotional intelligence conducted by Honeycomb School of Creative Studies, and I would like to thank them for bringing out such a wonderful topic. Especially, I would like to thank Sampada Ram for being such a wonderful host. I must say that her command over the subject is simply unbelievable. The session was so interactive. Initially, I thought that it would be a little boring, but it was so interactive that we were glued completely throughout the session. And I recommend this workshop for each and everyone who's like looking to discover themselves in this pandemic, because everybody is lost in their work from home scenario and nobody is assessing self. And it is very important to assess yourself in these tough situations. And it was really wonderful and exciting session. I would like to recommend it to all. Yeah, nice job, Honeycomb.